Beat is on, we keep on falling. Rhythms tight, heartbeats fly. Summer night, no denying.
Good morning, guys. Good morning. How is your Saturday going? So, mine is going good. We're gonna make a quick protein-filled breakfast. I want gonna joke. I wanted to make what is it called? Fried dumpling this morning. Yes, few for some fried dumpling. No baking powder. Me not have. So, but say you know what happened. We're not gonna stress it. And we're not going to the store. So we are gonna make pancakes. Right? I am not a measurement person. Literally just do what I know is gonna cover for everybody. So here we have it. And then to this, I'll be adding a teaspoon of Greek yogurt. This is my yogurt of choice. To my mixture, like I said, we want this to be a heavy protein-filled breakfast. All right, super. To mix this, we're gonna add some almond milk. Okay. And then we're gonna add a handful of blueberries. And a little bit more. And because we added blueberries, we are gonna be adding some strawberries. And of course, you're gonna cut the leaves off the strawberry and just cut them up in some little cubes. If you watch my previous videos, you would have seen where I wash my fruits before storing them. So there's absolutely no need for me to do that when I am ready to use them, because we already washed and cleaned, right? So here's what this looks like. And after this, we're gonna add one more component to stack this up with protein, and that's gonna be my eggs. My eggs. Hope these eggs good. We don't want our mixture to be spoiled because I use a bad egg, so let's crack these eggs first. Take the eyes out of it. Oh, this one is good, so we can dump it. Eggs pass the test. How you guys feel about taking the eye out of the eggs? I think it makes a huge difference. What about you guys? I think it helps. Because there's no rawness in your mixture when the eye goes out of it. And you just want to mix this real good so you get some nice fluffy pancakes. Mixture. So remember, this is my protein pancake mix. Into that I added a teaspoon or tablespoon, sorry, of Greek vanilla yogurt, a handful and a little bit more blueberries, and 3 strawberries, along with 2 eggs. Right. So this is how we're looking. See? Nice. And ready. All right.
summer house. It's our night. Gold trees, sway breeze so warm. Feel the beat inside the storm. Magic in the air tonight. Everything is so right. Echoes of the ocean near. Whisper secrets in my ear. Waves cross, songs collide. Summer's pulse, we won't hide.
What you making, honey? We usually do like 2 at a time, just so I don't cram the pan. Alright, so we're gonna leave these on very low flame, let them do their thing, and then we're gonna get ready to flip them. So guys, how wanna feel? How was in a week? How was your week? What are we looking forward to for this week? Yeah, 6 pound little, what is it, sauce of beef tea with no sugar. I need a teaspoon, but yeah, I eat well liquid. Yeah. But guys, please subscribe. I noticed I've been getting a lot of views. Hey, I'm so happy about that. Thank you for the views. Didn't know my videos would have been so well received. I appreciate it. But I'm asking y'all to please subscribe and share the videos, okay? And like them too. Actually press the like button. Alright? But I watch the twisted wig. So those who know me from a long time, you know that I'm not really a wig person. I've always been wearing short hair, but the wigs work out for convenience. You know, when I'm going to the gym, it's no wig. 2 cornrow go back and fling on my hat. And then, you know, when I'm going out on the road, I just slap on a wig. It works out for me. After the gym, I can literally just wash my hair and free flow and then put on a wig, you know? So it works out. So I can see where I go on for the pancake then. Alright, so sit in mirror. Do them thing. Right. Usually when you see these little bubbles start popping in them, that means they're setting and it's good getting there for you to be able to flip. Alright? Yeah.
Waves cross, songs collide. Summer's pulse, we won't hide.
Chloe, was your breakfast good?
Ate the supplements.
Go. Get on my video. Go get your life together.
It is on, we keep on falling. Rhythms tight, heartbeats flying. Summer night, mountain night. Lights flash, colors glowing.
So here we have it, guys. My scrambled eggs with cheese, my protein loaded pancake, and turkey bacon. So yeah, I'm gonna sauce up leaf tea over here, so a piece of leaf tonight. But yeah, guys, thank you so much. We'll catch you later on in this video. Bye.